something right here?
Okay.
Look at that singed hair.
Crisp.
Crispy. Hey look, Hayden, an RX-8 that doesn't look like shit. You won't. Where are we at?
Starbucks.
Where are we at?
Fried bananas. Somebody's car.
Or at Starbucks.
Somebody's car. Be repping. 60 mil, 3 milligram. Your name? Assfuck 101.
Oh.
I got some milk, vanilla, coffee, vape. Starbucks.
Dick in my mouth.
Alright, we're just gonna.
Alright, so we're not going to the zoo. It closes at 5. It's 4:53. It takes about an hour to get there, so we're not going there. I don't know what we're gonna I don't know what we're gonna do. I'm not entirely sure yet. I think we might just walk around, maybe go to one of the parks or something, and see the scenery and shit, but we'll figure it out when we get there. Yeet! Starting the scenery clips now. I guess gas cap. Get a video of it.
Oi, close that. Yep, we're videoing you. We're videoing you and he's pissed. Alright, well, never mind. Sorry. Get him! Race him! Yeah! Oh, we're flying. We're only going 91.
Only?
I'm gay.
You want me to hold it for you?
Okay. Same.
It's automatic, but a lot of times.
Oh yeah, mine was manual, but I have an RX-8 now. Pushing 325.
Wow.
Oh, cute. It's like a little forest.
Yo. What the hell?
It's a little forest.
Yeah, this is dope.
Dude, let's turn it into our house.
Yeah,
Look at this place.
that's what we do nowadays. We just fucking find shit and build houses.
Yeah, but I really need a key.
Yeah, we'll pop it back.
Up squat. Well, when we realized we couldn't do anything, we just started looking up abandoned places and stuff like that. And we came across this spot, which is like really sick. It's
Seems
just
lit.
like, huh?
Seems lit.
Seems lit. But we found this place on a website. It's like a thing on Facebook where there's people have a bunch of abandoned places around the Missouri area. And we thought it was gonna be bigger, but I mean, it's still really sick. There's a bunch of trees growing in here. Are you upstairs right now?
Oh fuck. like the black one is white and way smaller.
Looks like it only has 2 feet, dude. And house number 2 right beside it. Oh, that's fucking barbed wired. Just an FYI for anybody who's watching, there is no trespassing signs. So, we can't get in trouble for it. But
Someone's been living in here.
someone's been living in there.
Someone in there?
I'd hope not. They just locked yourself in there.
Yeah.
Unless there's someone by themselves that got locked in here.
Shit.
Just tapes. What do they say from the tapes?
I don't know. I'm kind of scared to look.
What's the name on the thing, on the shirt that you're next to?
Here?
Hmm.
Transportation.
But I mean, like,
Nationwide.
it doesn't have his name tag on it.
Oh.
So what really in the back there?
Yeah.
I'm gonna get in the car, go. This is the cattle trough thing.
Yep.
It goes about it.
Damn it, dude. Oh shit! I almost ran into the spider web.
I did.
Well,
I did. Coming?
I didn't even notice this was over here. Shit.
Can I go up there? Keys.
All right, saying goodbye to our mission for the day. Alright guys, so that's gonna do it for today's video. We didn't get to explore as much as we wanted to, and we did some other stuff, but I'm gonna save it for a video tomorrow, so I can come out with a video tomorrow as well and stay kind of active. But just remember, if you liked the video, remember to comment, like, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video.